It means green environment, clean air, fresh air, good climate. Green always represents life.
Gusto namin ang Sagada always shining para at least lahat ng mga tao at saka yung darating shining din sila. Thank you.
It's by the people, for the people, and of the people, and let us share what we have in Sagada. Okay.
It also represents harmony with the people. So we will have peaceful, yung blue, peaceful and very good and colorful Sagada.
Learn sustainable tourism without anybody
How are we able to sustain ourselves? So at least kung this seminar would help us develop an action plan.
After this 3-day activity is for us to be change agents. Hindi lang yung hanggang dito lang tayo, na nag-plan lang in the promotion and support of new ideas for sustainable tourism in Sagada. This is in support to our objective din na isa to be model town na sa other municipalities.
About this is different from other planning or activities that we have. Kaya is na napanabas ka, we just hear the speakers and then we just eat, and after a lot of days, bububuhin na kami ng kung ano-ano at the last day. But then, we're starting. So, maganda yung paraan ng ating activity. I just want to, I'm very excited.
It was a good day. It was a good sharing. I learned. I was late. I'm sorry about that, but I learned a lot in this first day of the workshop. Especially bringing out the concerns and the need to bring out issues to be addressed, hopefully to be addressed in the future.
Between teachers and facility.
Yeah.
And they treat us as students. Okay, so this is a student-centered way of facilitating or a seminar, and I like it very much. I wish our schools will follow this kind of interaction. There's more participation of the students or the learners than the teacher just talking and makes us sleep.
It's been a great day with the participants and our facilitators from John Dewey School. I think everything is sharing and learning. That's all.